How to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. First, open Facebook on your device. Then, go to Menu. Here, go to Settings and Privacy. Under the Meta Account Center, tap on See More in Account Center. Under Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then, open Account Deactivation and Deletion. Find a reason why you want to delete this account and tap on Continue. From the bottom of the page, select Continue. So you can see there is no way to delete Facebook account permanently without providing your password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.